Have you ever clicked on a YouTube video just because the thumbnail looked cool? Yeah, we all have. In a sea of content, your thumbnail is what gets people to stop scrolling, or scroll right past. But here's the thing, you don't need to be a Photoshop expert or hire a $100 designer to make a killer thumbnail. In fact, there are amazing designers on Fiverr who specialize in YouTube thumbnails. And some of the best ones charge under $15. Whether you're a beginner, a gaming creator, or someone growing an educational channel, a professional thumbnail can literally double your click-through rate. So in this video, we're comparing the top YouTube thumbnail designers on Fiverr, based on style, delivery speed, price, and reviews. Let's dive in and find the perfect one for your channel. So, whether you're just starting out on YouTube or looking to upgrade your visuals without spending a fortune, these thumbnail designers are seriously worth checking out. Each one offers something unique, and under $15, they're budget-friendly too. I've dropped all the links to their Fiverr profiles in the description, so you can explore, compare, and choose what fits your style best. If this video helped you save time or find a solid designer, do give it a thumbs up. And if you want more tool comparisons and smart picks like this, don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.